The Italian brand Antoniolupi is able to create not just a stylish space, but a truly designer one. At this year's iSaloni, they once again showed how design, form and materials can work together. Antoniolupi is elegance, innovation and impeccable style. By creating furniture, sanitary ware, bathroom accessories, the brand manages to transform the interior, adding an individual character to it. At iSaloni 2025, at the company stand, there is a maximum of tactility, natural materials, architectural thought and details that you want to examine. We learn firsthand what inspires the Antoniolupi brand to develop such innovative solutions from the company CEO Andrea Lupi, with whom we talked right at the exhibition stand in Milan. Andrea, it's a pleasure to meet you. Gorgeous stand. Please tell us what inspired you to have such a beautiful display. Today, Antoniolupi is synonymous with impeccable quality, and we have indeed prepared thoroughly for this exhibition, with an emphasis on craftsmanship. We have done serious work with materials and we have worked to create spaces for living, because Antoniolupi is no longer just a recognized brand in the bathroom segment. We are a company that deals with the entire design of living spaces. We have introduced a whole concept built around stone. Wood and marble are the key materials for our projects. And additionally, we integrated beds, sofas and armchairs. This is also part of the overall design idea, which is particularly popular among designers today. The exhibition that Antoniolupi presented at iSaloni 2025 is a dialogue between form and function. It's about individuality, about the Italian commitment to quality and style. We can say that our stand is a statement of our philosophy. We show here really innovative, unique solutions. For example, Giorgio Rava's project is a completely new approach, in which we literally removed the faucet and made water an architectural element. The Antoniolupi brand evokes interest and resonates with connoisseurs of exclusive design. There is no doubt that the solutions presented by the company this year will become a new reference point in the design industry. Günay Verdieva, Antoniolupi's representative in Azerbaijan, was the first to fly to Milan in order to get acquainted with the brand's new products. One of these year's novelties is the Oasi bathtub. Just look at the shape. You can choose from 408 shapes, from strict rectangular to softly oval, or even angular if you want to integrate it into non-standard spaces. No other brand offers as many variations. Antoniolupi remains a company that can state with confidence 100% of its products are made in Italy. These are really high-quality furniture and accessories that will bring emotions to their owners, because in fact emotions are the key aspect of design. Everything within the Antoniolupi space is designed for a sense of absolute balance between form and function, minimalism and expression. It's not just objects, it's a way of life where every detail counts.